Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my July Boxycharm and re-reviewing my June box. Alright, so let's take a look at the box. Here we go. What is everything? Let's take a look. The theme this month is road tripping, I guess. This is the Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel from Dr. Brandt. This thing retails for $42 American dollars, and it says that it is guaranteed to visibly reduce under eye bags and dark circles. I'm not really too concerned with puffy eyes, but dark circles is definitely a thing I'm always thinking about. It's got a peach formula, so maybe it's more of a concealer type deal, and it does give you a cooling effect. Interesting. I'm definitely curious about that. I did not expect it to have that peachy salmon-y tint to it. I'm going to try this out for the next little while and I'll definitely let you know my results. Next we have a eyeshadow palette from Crown Brushes. A little bit dirty. It is just a really warm, really big, it looks bigger than I thought it was going to look, palette full of peachy tones. It looks like someone's actually stuck their finger in this one, which is interesting. Kind of a boring palette really, but it's got a mirror in it. Its retail price is $30, and it's got a nice mix of shimmer shades and matte shades, but we'll have to see what that's like. Next we have a mascara in this beautiful tube. I love soft tube mascaras. This is from Wander Beauty, and it's their Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It is a full size, it retails for $24. I know they carry Wander Beauty at Sephora, and they say that this unlashed mascara will volumize, lengthen, strengthen, and condition your lashes. So I'll probably do a dedicated video to the Wander Beauty mascara. Next we have a compact blush. This is the Luminous Silk Compact Blush with Argan Oil from Note, which I've never heard of. And this is in 05 Desert Rose. Looks kind of like a peachy tone. I think that'll be pretty nice. So this is $11.99. It's got a built-in mirror and a blush brush. That's kind of cool. I guess good for travel. Shows up. Oh yeah, it's actually, it looks a little like browner on camera, but it's actually a really kind of nice orangey coral. I think that'll look really pretty on my cheeks. And the last thing is this Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. It's $26. And it's got a brush on one end. Oh. And just the cream on the other side. And it looks fairly dark. Just a brown color. I think that'll be a good match for me. I thought taupe might be more of a blonde color. The packaging kind of reminds me of the Eyebrow from Benefits, with the brush and the little pot all included in one product. So interesting shape for a brow product. And how much product does it actually contain? Like, it seems like $26 for this much. It's kind of expensive. 1.8 grams of product. The Eyebrow actually holds 3 grams of product. So I wonder if the Eyebrow is not actually cheaper. Again, I've never heard of this brand. And that is everything from this month's box. So interesting selection. I love the mascara. I love the blush. We'll have to test everything else out to see how that stuff performs. So let's quickly re-review everything from the previous month's box. And I did my best to actually kind of wear some of these products. So the lipstick that I'm wearing is the Ofra lipstick in Verona from last month's box. It's a nice formula. I think the color looks good on me. It goes on really lightly. It's not particularly moisturizing feeling, but it's so thin. I just wish it was a more exciting color, because in the past they have sent us really similar tones. And on the eyes today, I have on some colors from the Alamar Cosmetics palette, which I've been playing around with, as you can see, and I've actually been really enjoying it so far. Some of the colors are a little dusty, especially these mattes down here. But the shimmers are so beautiful. They're easy to throw on, even for someone who's not especially blessed in the eyeshadow skills department. Although I'm working on it. Today I've got on these 3 colors around my crease, and then La Costa on my eyelid. and I played around with the blues and the greens, and the gold is beautiful. Overall, really nice. I did notice wearing the shimmers that it wouldn't last a full 12 hours without creasing, so I do remember to always put a primer on when I'm working with these colors, but so far I really like it. We got the 3 Luxie brushes, and as you can see, they're all dirty and they just go right in with my normal brush collection beautifully. Like I've said before, I have some Luxie brushes from my Ipsy bags in the past. I really like them. I think they're nice, kind of in between size, maybe a little bit on the small size, but when working with powder products, I think they do beautifully. These kind of tapered ones make blush placement really easy, plus you can blend in with it as well. We got the Agence Bleu brown eyeliner, and I'm wearing that today. Got it in the eyebrows, got it on the eyes, and it's good. It's just a standard brow pencil. It does feel nice and gel-ish. Can I say that? Gel-y. It is a gel pencil, and yeah. Personally, I prefer a pencil that you don't have to manually sharpen, but I mean, for what it is, it's good. I just put up a review about these Paddington lashes. These are the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. So I'll link the video just up here so you can check it out. Beautiful packaging, nice lashes. They looked good on me, I think. It was nice to try a new brand. I had never heard of Paddington before. And yeah, I've worn these a couple times and they're in great shape. I'd love to see more lashes, more like premium lashes in beauty boxes. I think that's a great idea. And finally, the Sol de Janeiro Bum Gum Cream, which again, my only complaint about this stuff is the scent. I like the formula. This one's a good one if you can get over the scent. It's just too strong in my opinion. I think this really is one of my favorite boxes that I will be receiving from Boxycharm, or that I have thus received from Boxycharm. A beautiful eyeshadow palette, lashes, brushes, a lipstick, something for your body. I think it's just a great range of products, and it's great if you're just building up your makeup kit, that you would get some of these like staple items that will last a very long time and are reusable. I hope you enjoyed my look at this month's and the previous month's Boxycharms. As usual, a huge shout out to my patrons who help make these videos possible. Huge shout out to you for watching, and I will see you again in Wednesday's beauty video. Bye.